Nature Girls, there are two girls, Michaela and Abby. There they go exploring.
The Nature Girls on country roads. Girls, hold on. Girls, what kind of track is that?
Deer.
Deer? Yeah, white-tailed deer tracks in the snow yet. That's pretty cool.
That's cool.
Yeah, Abby practicing the stump ripper. Flip the logs part over. There you go.
I found some mints. What?
This one. There you go. You got a word.
Come on, Abby, over here. There's pickers. I did, like 2 months before.
Can I see that? Yeah.
Kind of cool how the water runs, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna go up in here, girls. So follow Daddy.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, Abigail, go in front of me, Abigail.
Watch the pickers. Come over this way. Over this way. Watch your face.
Leave the branch.
Yeah. Wait careful, Daddy.
Yeah, we're good here.
Okay. Watch these little things like this, because they're pickers, okay?
Okay.
And we can get them on you. There's a lot of them in here. They're blackberries.
Go, Abigail, just go up there.
Here, flip that log with that stick there.
Just there, Abigail. Flip it. Oh, I just saw something.
What is that? What is that? Right there. It's a big salmon. Dad, I need that.
I got it.
Go up on there in the snow.
Okay, I got it. Just go. Okay, now I just need to pull it up. Hey.
Hold on.
Yes. A tad bit. Okay, thanks. Okay. I'm okay.
Whoa.
Okay, Abby.
Close one. Got this.
Get up there, Abigail. Just get up there. I hate all this snow. Hard.
Trying.
Let's go, Abigail. I'm trying to pick her. It's a tree branch. I'm stuck. Okay, got it. Wow.
Right over there by the log. Good.
Okay, thanks. Okay. Yeah. Oh, look what that is. Deer.
Yep. You got deer poop.
Okay, do you go that way now?
Ew.
We're gonna.
We're gonna go up that way.
Let's see. I'll take you that spot. Oh, a lot of deer poop. Oh, deer poop. You wanna talk about deer poop? Come here, Ash. Come here. Oops.
Oh, she just stepped on it.
Guess we found a lot of deer poop. Alright, what do you think? Does everybody poop?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even deers.
See that?
Yep.
Watch out the poop. I can't find you.
Oh, there's more right there. Jeez.
That'd be weird.
What are those deer doing?
That means it's like poop.
Okay. I'm just holding on to this tree. Just go, go, go. I got it. I got it. I got it. Just kick this camera. There. Okay, got it. Go.
Come up this way.
I hate it.
Get it!
Okay.
Hold it.
Ow. I just got picked by a picker. Oh gosh, it hurt. Okay.
Grab it.
This way.
Grab it.
Okay. There.
Up this way. Come on.
Wow!
Carry on, come on. On this side. Give me your hand, Abigail. Give me your hand.
Go down this way. Yeah, be careful where you step in there.
There are people.
Dad, look at that one. Jeez, this deer.
They poop a lot. Nope. There, I found something. You watch your step here. Don't come down and go around.
Go, get run. Wow. Go, run.
Come down this way.
What did you find, Daddy? Ooh, a skull of what?
It's a deer.
Ew. Well, it's gathered up.
Oh, hold on. Let me go in first. Go under. Come on.
Go, Abigail.
Go up through. I'm in a picker.
Come on, Abigail.
Go through. Go through. Watch the picker. Ow. Must be where they like to poop. And there you go. You want the camera back?
Yeah.
You know how to record?
Yes.
We'll get you in a minute.
Let's go. Let's go. Get up. It's already recording. Just hold my hand up again. We don't want you to fall. Cotty.
Yeah, come over here. You can see Shannon.
Okay.
Just go. Like that.
Hey, come on, put this up. Back up, Babs. Lift up the ground. Oop, that's key. Going under.
Don't put your right hand right in there, Abby. Hurry.
Get that little rock with the stick, honey.
What did it say?
This one. This one. That rock.
Right
With the
here?
stick. This one. Right here.
Okay.
With stick. With this. Okay, put it back. Okay, back up.
Stop.
Oh, wet.
Guys, we're nowhere.
Yeah?
Nowhere.
It's nowhere?
What?
Dad, what was this creek down here?
Go over there and look. Let's think about that one back there.
But it's full of moss.
You stay there. It's really cool how the rock grows all the moss on it, ain't it, girl?
Mm-hmm.
Go back over this way.
Dad, should I stop recording for right now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We slid down the bank otter style.
Ready?
Nature girls just like playing in the water. I've been up you and down you throughout my life. Old dirt road. My children and the next generation have been up and down you. It is good to see that it is timeless, and you always take me home.